Hello. Welcome back. Hello guys. Kain tayo. Time check. 2 o'clock in the morning. Siyempre meron tayong rice. Itlog maalat na may kamatis. Corn beef saka pork chop. Saka yung kinakatakutan ng mga nurses, mga nagtatrabaho sa ospital. Dala-dala nila dito sa Amerika na pag kumain ka daw nito, magiging busy ka. Tingnan natin kung magiging busy talaga tayo. Totoo ba yun? Pag may kumain ka ng pansit sa duty, yung mga nurse ay magiging busy sila. Stacy, ikaw, let's eat. I have a lot of meal. Pancet.
Quesadilla, like.
And then you know this one, right? You don't like this, the salted egg. My wife gave me one salted egg to avoid extra cholesterol. She said just eat one. Let's go guys. Mukbang forever. Dami. Ay pa yung masarap magkamay. Naiya lang ako. Kasi papasok yung mga nurses o kaya mga PCA din. Para sabihin, ba't ako kakamay? Ito corn beef. Ang corn beef ng Argentina saka yung Pure Foods nasa $10. Samantalang yung American corn beef may patatas, may potato na sa ano lang, $3. Let's go. You want to try your food? Salted egg?
What you got?
Salted egg. Pancet.
Oh, I know. I've had that before.
Do you want to try this one, salted egg?
Nah. No, I'm okay.
Oh,
But
good.
thank you.
They're good.
It looks good, but no, I ate too much broccoli and I've got gas. The salt just makes me bloat, so I don't need both of those.
Okay.
Gas and salt.
That's awesome.
You talking to your wife? I'd say hey boo thing, but she doesn't know who I am.
You can do it. Mahal ko sa kanya. Kumakain kasi yung ang baon namin tinitingnan pag kumakain kami ng mga Pilipino dito. Sarap. Lang guys, itong ulam ay ba may corn beef saka may pork chop. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko to. Medyo cool ang ulam. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Yeah. Thank you guys. God bless everyone.